Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, really simple. I mean, it's not going to take long at all. Spaghetti with chicken and tomatoes. Some very basic ingredients, nice and cheap, nice and quick. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at these really simple ingredients. So, chicken breast, no skin, no bone, and cut into nice thin strips so it cooks nice and quickly. Chopped onion, dried herb of your choice. I'm using oregano, you could be using something else. Some chopped garlic, 1 can of tomatoes which has been chopped, some black olives which you don't have to put in if you don't want, but I think make a difference, and some cooked spaghetti. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. That's it. It's wonderfully easy. Let's go and do it. So I've got a wok or a pan or something like that. It's got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. Olive oil can also work. Let's simply get our onions in there, along with that garlic, chopped garlic. I'm also going to put in our herb, the dried oregano, and our chicken, cut into nice thin strips. What we're going to do, get that going for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring fairly often. There we go. So as you can see, the chicken's changed to that familiar cooked white colour. Very, very simple, this dish. In goes those optional chopped black olives. Still a bit of salt. Some black pepper. Give that a little mix. And by the way, I use kind of 2 medium-sized chicken breasts for this. That can of tomatoes already chopped. If you wanted, you could be adding some tomato concentrate or the paste or puree. We're going to keep this really simple, this one today. Okay, now what we want to do is we want this to go for about 6 minutes on a fairly lively heat. Give it a stir every now and then. We are pretty much done. And look at that. Wonderful. That's done. Check that for salt. If you wanted a little splash of cream, take it in a little different direction. A little bit of pesto sauce in there. I'm keeping this just nice and easy like that. If you want, you can use that sauce and put it onto your pasta. For me, my pasta's going to go in my spaghetti. I'm then going to toss this around for about 2 minutes, getting that sauce all over the place here, all over that spaghetti. Then it's ready to serve. And there we go. Super easy, super tasty. Chicken, tomato, spaghetti. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.